Welcome to a journey towards your financial freedom. Today, we discuss the concept of financial independence. This is the state of having sufficient personal wealth to live without the necessity for active income. In our rapidly evolving world, it's more crucial than ever to strive for this autonomy. This video seeks to guide you through the fundamentals of financial independence, providing you the tools to navigate your financial journey. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to New Way Finance Academy, and turn on notifications to stay updated. So, what does financial independence truly mean? It's a term frequently thrown around in personal finance circles, yet its meaning is not universally agreed upon. So let's unpack this concept and understand its relevance in our lives. Financial independence, at its core, is the ability to live your life, fulfilling your needs and wants without relying on an active income. It's when your passive income, perhaps from investments, rental properties, or a side business, can sustain your lifestyle. It's the point where working becomes an option, not a necessity. Yet, financial independence is not a static concept. It's fluid, varying significantly from one person to another, shaped by individual aspirations, lifestyle choices, and financial goals. For some, it may mean living a life of luxury without worrying about the next paycheck. For others, it could be as simple as having the freedom to switch careers, take risks, or even retire early. Essentially, financial independence is about having control over your finances, rather than allowing them to control you. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. It's the freedom to make choices that aren't dictated by monetary constraints. But why is financial independence relevant? Well, it's not just about money. It's about freedom. It's about security. It's about peace of mind. It's about being able to live life on your terms. It allows you to focus on what truly matters to you, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing passions, or contributing to the community. However, achieving financial independence is not a walk in the park. It requires discipline, patience, and a sound understanding of personal finance. It's about making informed decisions, managing your money wisely, and investing strategically. It's a journey that involves careful planning, consistent effort, and regular evaluation. Financial independence is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a personal journey that varies from person to person. It's your journey. It's about creating a life where your finances serve you, enabling you to live a life of choice, not compromise. So let's continue this journey towards financial independence together. Let's dig into the 5 pillars of financial independence. The first pillar is earning. This is the starting point of your journey. Your income serves as the fuel for your financial independence engine. It's not just about making money, but also about increasing your earning potential. This can be achieved through career advancement, side hustles, or even launching your own business. Next, we have saving. This pillar is all about discipline and making strategic decisions. It's about cutting back on unnecessary expenses and prioritizing your financial goals. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices that align with your financial independence journey. The third pillar is investing. This is where your money starts working for you. It's about growing your wealth over time through stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles. The key here is to understand risk and reward and to diversify your portfolio. Now, let's talk about time. This pillar is often overlooked, but it's crucial. Financial independence is not an overnight success story. It's a long-term game. The power of compound interest comes into play here. The longer your money is invested, the more it grows. So, start early and be patient. The final pillar is resilience. The journey to financial independence can be a rocky road. There will be setbacks and challenges. But it's your ability to bounce back and stay focused on your goals that will determine your success. These pillars are not standalone entities, but interconnected parts of a whole. They work together, strengthening each other. For instance, the more you earn, the more you can save and invest. The earlier you start, the more time you have for your investments to grow. And resilience helps you stay the course, even when things get tough. These pillars are the foundation of your financial independence journey. Each one contributes to building a solid financial future. But remember, this is your journey. Your pillars may look different, or there may be more or less of them. The key is to find what works for you, and to stay committed to your financial independence goals. Now, How can we achieve this coveted state of financial independence? It's not a secret, really, but rather a disciplined approach to money management. Let's break it down into 5 critical steps. The first step is setting clear financial goals. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Maybe you want to retire at 50, or perhaps you'd like to buy a house in the next 5 years. Whatever your goals are, write them down and make them measurable. You need to know what you're aiming for to stay on track. Secondly, create a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap. It's a plan that outlines your income and expenses, helping you visualize where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. It's not about restricting your spending, but about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Next, reduce your debt. Debt can be a significant roadblock on the path to financial independence. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can eat away at your income, leaving less for savings and investments. Prioritize paying off your debts as quickly as possible. And remember, while some debts, like a mortgage or student loans, might be necessary, try to avoid consumer debt that doesn't contribute to your financial growth. Our fourth step is to create multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. If you lose your job or face a pay cut, you could find yourself in financial trouble. Consider diversifying your income. This could mean starting a side hustle, investing in real estate, or even turning a hobby into a profit-generating venture. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, invest wisely. Investing is the key to growing your wealth over time. It's about making your money work for you, even when you're not working. Start by understanding different investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Then, create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about steady growth over time. And here's a bonus tip: educate yourself. Financial literacy is a powerful tool. It can help you make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and take control of your financial future. So, read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, or enroll in finance courses. Stay informed and keep learning. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and discipline. But with clear goals, a solid budget, reduced debt, multiple income streams, and smart investments, you can cross the finish line. Financial independence isn't just a dream, it's a journey, and with these steps, you can make it a reality. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. This statement holds true for every individual aiming to attain financial independence. Financial education plays an indispensable role in this journey. It's the compass that guides you through the complex world of finance, helping you make informed decisions that can positively impact your financial future. Think about it. Without understanding the fundamentals of finance, how can one navigate through savings, investments, taxes, and retirement planning? It's like trying to read a book in a language you don't understand. Hence, financial education is not just an option, it's a necessity. So, where do you seek this financial education? Well, there are numerous resources available at your fingertips. Books written by financial experts like Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Total Money Makeover can provide valuable insights into personal finance and wealth creation. Online courses, too, offer structured learning experiences on various financial topics. Podcasts are another great source of financial knowledge. They're convenient, easy to consume, and often offer expert advice. Some popular ones include The Dave Ramsey Show and Planet Money. Finally, consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor. An expert's perspective can often shed light on areas you might have overlooked and help you create a tailored financial plan. Remember, the journey to financial independence is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, discipline, and most importantly, knowledge. Financial education is the key to unlocking your financial independence. That's our journey towards financial independence in a nutshell. We're grateful you've joined us today. Remember, knowledge is power, so use these insights to chart your own path towards financial liberty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more empowering financial education content from New Way Finance Academy. We're here to support and guide you every step of the way. We hope this journey towards financial independence empowers you to take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching.